Today we are going to see sorting program in 8085 assembly language. Here we are going to sort four numbers in consecutive location. We are going to sort. Here to see this one, we are having that your data in 4350. So first data, then 4351, 4352, and 4353. In that location, your data is available. We assume that one. We are having a data by 12, 7, and 32. This is the data we are having now. Now, what actually we are going to do, here we have to store the shorted number in another location from 430, 431, and 432, and 433. Right. Now, how do you short now? Right. Now, here we are having that another one location we are going to use now as 4400, where we are going to store the address of the smallest number. So, we are going to store the address of the smallest number. Now, initially, what actually we are going to do now, right? So, C04. So, we are having now the C register is going to be used as a counter. C is going to use as a counter 04. So 4 values. And here we are having 4300. So that address where we are going to store the result, that address is going to stored in the DE pair. Stored in the DE pair. That is LXID. So load register pair with 4300. So we are having now. Next one, move immediate B0. So another one indexing for that we are having now B equal to 04. So we are having now two registers are used for the counting purpose. Okay. Counting purpose means we want to make a loop. Right. Next, we are loading the HL pair with the starting address of the element available. So this is stored in the HL pair. LXI HT. So this is here. LXI HT. Then we are having now initially you have now that A register. You are having now the maximum value that A register is going to have now F. So for that we are coming now move immediate A F. Move immediate A F. So this is the move immediate A F. So F is going to have. Now compare M. M means here the F is going to compare with the first element. So M is here HL pair address. So that is this element. 5B is compared with F. So compared with F means F subtract with 5B. So here we are having some value that here it won't have a carry. No carry. Carry is 0. Because this is a bigger number than 5B. So now here no carry. So here it will come to here, right? So M to A. So that value we have to take it as. So we are assuming that one 5B is the smallest now. So A register content is going to modify it as 5B. 5B, and then we have to store this may be the smallest number. 5B may be the smallest number. So we are storing the address here. So 4350, this is going to be stored. So that is store HLD. Store HLD with 4400. So in that 4400, we are storing the HL content. The HL content is HL pair. So HL pair is 4350. So this is actually the 5B is assumed the small, and we are storing the address, and then we have to go for increment H. So HL pair is going to be increment. We are going to take next element. Increment and decrement B. So the count is going to be decrement. The count is going to have decrement by B. So B is going to have a 03. So now the next element we are going to process now. Then here decrement B, jump no 0. So that is some value is there. So we have to go for LP2. So we have to go for LP2. So where is LP2? Here we are coming now. Then we have to compare the next element. So compare the next element means here 12. 12 is compared with the 5B. So 5B minus 12. Right? Now we are having no carry. the carry is 0 because 5b is small, right? So here 5b is greater than 12. So now here the 12 is the smallest element. So here we are taking now the 12 is going to move to A. So this is not a small, this is not a small. So 12 may be the small. So here we are taking now the 12 as small, and then we are storing the address. So you store HLD. So now the HLD, now the current small number is 4351. Then we have to decrement by B. So B is decrement by next value, B equal to 02. So two more value is there. Then it will copy that increment that INX sketch. Then it will compare. So we are comparing now the next element 7. Now 7 is compared now. 12 minus 7, we are getting now that this also no carry. So that 7 may be small. So now we are changing now that one as SHLD is 2, 4352. 4352. At the same time, that A is 07. 07. So 7 is small, right? Then next we are going to have now next element. Next element is 32. So next element is 32. The 32, 7 minus 32 is carry occur. So now this is a small number. So it will go for that LP1, right? So if we carry occur, then the carry occur, then it will go to LP1, right? So this is increment that H. So increment in H, then decrement B, then B is going to have a 0. Then here it will go to STAX, right? So that is here. We are having the current address is 4352. So 4352 is the smallest currently. 4352 is the smallest. Then we are storing the content with the D register. So D register content is 430. So in that 430, the smallest number is going to store. 07 is going to store. Then what we have to do is now the 4352. So which element we are taking out as the smallest? So in that location, we have to modify the content with f of. We have to modify the content with f of. So how do you modify that one? So we are having now this load HLD. So this is we are having load HLD. So HL is currently now the address is 4352. So in that 4352, we are moving that value f of. Right, 4352, we are moving the value f of. So this f of value is moved to m. So this is we are changing that one as this value is removed and we are placing it f of, right? Then we have to decrement C. We are going to next element, right? So next pass we are going to do now, right? So then hereafter we have to go for the 4350 and we have to take this 5b as small. Then here we have to subtract the 12. Then 12 is small. So in that pass, the 12 is small number. Now we have to take 12 and we have to place it in the next location. Then the next pass, we are going to have that one as smallest number is 5b. Then it will come to 32. So 32 is small. You have to take this one as f of. You have to remove that one. This one as f of, and then we have to take this one as 32 here. And then the next pass, so we are having 5b is there. Then this is smallest number. Then hereafter everything is f of. So we have to take this one as f of, and we are placing now the 5b. So we are having now the sorting array is there in that location from 4300 to 07. That's all. If you want to have that this is ascending order, just you have to change that one as in that location, right? So here, if you want to have that the same program, now you want to make it as this is ascending order. Now we want to make it as a descending order. Then how do you have to modify that one as here? We have to do that one. In that place, we are having now jump no carry. Okay. Jump no carry J and C. So instead of that one, we have to put J and C, and then we have to continue. Just you change that one as J and C, then this program is going to have as a descending order program. So the only one change. So here you have to take the yes if in smaller number means here we are having now biggest number. So we are having bigger number than that. So here we are going to have J and C. That's all. We'll continue in another lecture.